NSK is a global manufacturer of bearings, automotive components, linear guides, ball screws, steering columns. We produce them in just about every country and ship them globally around the world. And we produce bearings that go into automotive applications, industrial applications, a lot of the hand tools that you use around your house on a daily basis, construction, bearings that go into washing machines, inline skates, all kinds of things. NSK Americas, so we have 8 manufacturing facilities throughout North and South America, 7 in the United States and 1 in Brazil. We also have 9 distribution, warehouse, sales office, and we have 3 of those in Canada, 6 of them in the US, 1 in Mexico, and then 1 in Brazil. So my responsibility for the systems for both quality and environmental touches every one of those facilities. Because we're in the automotive industry, it's a requirement from a lot of our customers, but also as a core value for NSK, we see that it's a good way to do business. It's a good way to make sure that we have that standardization and sustainability, no matter whether it's quality, safety, environmental, that you've got those platforms built that can help take you to the next level as a company that people want to do business with. Our customers contact us on a regular basis to get our most recent certifications. They want to see our certificate not only for ISO 9001, the ISO TS 16949, but also ISO 14001, which is the environmental. Our customers are looking to see that as a company, we take those environmental requirements and take them to heart, and that we're doing something to assure that there is sustainability for our future generations in the environmental arena. The ISO 14001 for environmental is a standard that looks at what are you doing to assure that you're not causing pollution, that you've got some things in place to assure that you're taking care of your waste streams and that you're not just dumping, whether it's trash or fluids or whatever, into some dump somewhere that could then cause some big environmental issue down the road. So the things that we look at are taking those KPIs that we have, key process indicators, and assuring that we've got things in place to make sure if we're producing a product, what are the byproducts of that, and what can we do to either recycle those or send them somewhere to have them filtered and reused, and make sure that environmentally that we've got sound practices, not just for NSK and the folks that work for NSK, but for our communities that our facilities are located. From the auditor standpoint, they know the standards. One of the comments I got out of NSK Canada when DNV came in there to audit was that was the first auditor that they've ever seen that knew the standard to the level that they knew it. And that is one thing that I see as a key element to the auditors that DNV uses. They know the standard that they're auditing to. They're very knowledgeable. They're very on top of what is going on in the industry and what you need to make sure that you're meeting those requirements. They're not just giving you a rubber stamp. I don't want someone to come in and just rubber stamp an audit for me. There is no value added for that. I want someone to come in and say, yep, you're doing great in these areas, keep it up. You've got some things over here that you not only need to improve on, but some things that really you should be looking at trying to take to the next level. That's what I want personally out of this. How do I get to that next level?